Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your balance on your Circle K gift card. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in circlek.com/fleet-gift-cards. Then press enter and you will be taken into the Fleet Cards and Gift Card website for Circle K. Now scroll down from this page and you will see the check balance of CK gift card button. Go ahead and click on it. And now you will be taken into your card balance checking page. Just enter your 19-digit card number within the given box and then enter your 4-digit PIN that you have set up while activating your card. Finally, click on the checkbox which says I'm not a robot to verify your identity, and then you can click on the submit button and you will be shown your gift card balance right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to check your gift card balance on Circle K. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.